Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is:
The statement of cash flows classifies as all cash inflows and outflows into one of three categories: operating activities, investing activities, financing activities. In addition, certain transactions that do not involve cash are reported in the statement as non-cash investment and financing activities, operating activities, B investing activities, C financing activities, D non-cash investing and financial activities required for each of the following transactions. Select the appropriate classification category. Purchase of equipment for cash, payment of employees' salaries, election of cash from customers, cash proceeds from a note payable, purchase of common stock of another corporation for cash, issuance of common stock for cash, sales of requirement equipment for cash, payment payment of interest and other interest on note payable, issuance of bonds payable in exchange for land and building, payment of cash dividends to shareholder, payment of principal on note payable. 3, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11. The answer of the question is: let's classify each of the given transaction according to the categories in the statement of cash flows. Purchase of equipment for cash category, investment activities. Explanation: this involves a cash outflow for purchasing long-term assets. Payment of employees' salaries category, operating activities. Explanation: this involves cash outflow related to normal business operations, collection of cash from customers category, operating activities. Explanation: this involve cash flow inflow from primary business activities, cash proceeds from a note payable category, financing activities. Explanation: this involves cash inflows from borrowing money, which is a part of financing purchase of common stock of another corporation for cash category, investing activities. Explanation: this involves cash outflow for buying equity investments, which is related to investing activities. Issuing of common stock for cash category, financing activity. Explanation: this involves cash inflow from issuing stock to raise capital. Sale of equipment for cash category, investing activities. Explanation: this involves cash inflow from selling long-term assets, payments of interest on note payable category, operating activities. Explanation: this involves cash outflow related to interest expenses, which are part of operating activities. Issuance of bond payable in exchange for land and building category, non-cash investing and financing activities. Explanation: this involves acquiring assets through issuing debt, which does not involve immediate cash flow, but is reported as a non-cash transaction. Payment of cash dividends to shareholders category, financing activities. Explanation: this involves cash outflow to distributive earnings to shareholders, payment of principal on note payable category, financing activity. Explanation: this involves cash outflow to settle debt, which is a part of financing. Summary: here's a summary table. Summary table. Payment of cash dividend to shareholders, financing activities, payment of principal on note payable, financing activities, purchase of equipment for cash investing activities, payment of employees' salaries, operating activities, collection of cash from customers, operating activities, cash proceeding are not payable, financing activities, purchase of common stock of another corporation for an cash, investing activities, issuance of common stock for cash, financing activities, sale of equipment for cash, investing activities, payment of investor interest on not payable, operating activities, issuance of bonds payable in exchange for land and building, non-cash investing and financing activities, payment of cash dividends to shareholders, financing activities, payment of principal on not payable, financing activities. This is the correct answer of the question. If you have a question, just leave your comment. I will be answering it as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel.